Have you ever wondered if you could improve your English while you sleep?
Curious? While sleeping? Is that really possible?
Yes, because your brain never truly sleeps. It keeps listening, it keeps learning.
Even when my eyes are closed?
Yes, especially when your body is relaxed and your mind is calm.
That sounds peaceful.
Imagine this: no stress, no pressure, just listening and naturally becoming more confident in English.
Becoming confident without forcing myself?
Exactly. Tonight, you are not studying. You are simply allowing your brain to absorb English effortlessly.
I'm ready to listen.
Welcome back to Talk English Lab, Tom. How are you feeling right now?
I feel a little tired, Emma, but also calm.
That's okay. Today, we are not going to work hard. We are going to relax and learn English in a peaceful way.
Learn English while relaxing?
Yes, even while your body rests, your mind can listen. Your brain is always active.
Sometimes I listen to English at night, but I don't know if it helps.
It does help. When you listen without pressure, your brain learns naturally. There is no fear, no stress.
I like that feeling. No stress.
Good. Right now, just breathe slowly and listen to my voice.
Okay, I'm listening.
You are safe. You are learning. You do not need to try hard.
That makes me feel better.
When you think about English, Tom, can you tell me, why do you want to learn English?
I want to speak confidently. I want to express my feelings.
That is beautiful. Everyone deserves to express their feelings.
Sometimes I know the feeling, but I don't know the words.
That is normal. Your words are inside you. They are waiting.
Waiting?
Yes, waiting for the right moment, waiting for practice, waiting for patience.
Patience. I'm trying to be patient.
And you are doing very well. Even now, you are improving.
Really?
Yes, your listening is stronger. Your understanding is deeper.
I still feel like a beginner.
That's okay. Beginners grow the most.
That makes sense.
Now, imagine this moment. You are lying down. Your body is relaxed.
Yes, I can imagine that.
Your eyes are closed. Your breathing is slow.
Slow and calm.
And your mind is open. Your mind is listening.
Listening without trying.
Yes, no pressure, just natural learning.
Emma, does the brain really learn like this?
Yes, the brain loves repetition. It loves calm voices.
I like calm voices.
Good, because calm voices help you feel safe.
I feel safe now.
That safety helps your memory grow. Your brain says it's okay to learn.
It's okay to learn. I like that sentence.
Can you repeat it slowly?
I'll try. It's okay to learn.
Beautiful. Very clear.
Thank you.
You see, you are already speaking calmly.
I am not forcing myself.
Exactly. You are allowing yourself.
Allowing myself.
Yes. Learning is not force. Learning is allowing.
That feels different.
It is different, and it is powerful.
Emma, sometimes I feel afraid to speak.
I understand. Fear is natural.
I worry people would judge me.
They are not your enemy. And mistakes are not your enemy.
Mistakes are not my enemy.
Mistakes are your teachers.
That sounds kinder.
Yes, be kind to yourself.
I want to be kind to myself.
Then start now. Listen. Breathe.
Listening, breathing.
Your brain is learning the sound, the rhythm, the feeling.
The feeling of English.
Yes, English is not only words, it is emotion.
Emotion.
Yes, when you feel calm, your English becomes calm.
I never thought about that.
And when you feel confident, your English becomes confident.
I want confident English.
And you are building it now, slowly, naturally.
Slowly, naturally.
Your mind remembers this voice. Your mind remembers these words.
Even when I sleep?
Yes, even when you sleep, your brain listens.
That feels peaceful.
Peaceful learning is powerful learning.
Peaceful learning.
Your fear is becoming smaller. Your confidence is becoming bigger.
I can feel that a little.
That little feeling will grow, day by day.
I want that growth.
And you deserve that growth.
Thank you for saying that.
You are welcome. And remember,
Yes?
you are not behind. You are on your path.
My path.
Your unique path. Your personal journey.
That makes me feel less pressure.
Good. Because pressure blocks learning.
And calm opens learning?
Exactly. Calm opens everything.
I want to stay in this calm feeling.
Then stay here. Listen and let your mind gently absorb every sound. You do not need to repeat. Just listen.
I am listening.
Your breathing is slow. Your body is heavy. Your mind is light.
Yes, my body feels relaxed.
This is the perfect state for learning. No tension, no fear.
I wish I could always learn like this.
You can. Even a few minutes like this helps your brain.
What is my brain doing now?
Your brain is creating connections. It is connecting sound and meaning.
Without effort?
Yes, without force. Just natural listening.
That feels easy.
Easy is good. Easy learning stays longer.
Sometimes I try too hard.
Many learners do. They push themselves too much.
I thought pushing was necessary.
Effort is good, but calm effort is better.
Calm effort.
Yes, effort without fear. Effort with kindness.
I like that idea.
Now listen to this sentence. I am calm.
I am calm.
Very good. Again, slowly.
I am calm.
Beautiful. Your voice is relaxed.
My chest feels open.
That openness helps your voice flow.
Flow.
Yes, English is like water. It flows naturally when nothing blocks it.
Fair blocks it.
Yes, but calm removes the block.
I am removing the block.
Yes, you are. Right now.
I feel lighter.
That lightness is confidence growing.
Confidence can grow quietly,
Yes, confidence grows in silence.
not in stress.
Never in stress. Only in safety.
I feel safe here.
Good. Your brain remembers safe places.
And then learning becomes easier?
Yes, your brain opens like a door.
An open door.
And new words enter easily.
New words enter easily.
You are doing perfectly, just by listening.
It feels strange, but good.
Strange can be good. It means something new is happening.
Something new is happening in my mind.
Yes, your English is becoming natural.
Natural English.
Your brain is learning the rhythm, the tone, the emotion.
Emotion helps memory?
Very much. Emotion makes memory stronger.
So, feeling calm helps me remember English.
Exactly. Calm is your learning power.
Calm is my learning power.
Proud. Yes, that is your strength.
I never thought calm was strength.
Calm is the strongest state. Calm minds learn deeply.
Deep learning.
Yes, deep and lasting.
I want lasting English.
And you are building it now, word by word.
Word by word.
Your mind accepts the sound. Your mind trusts the process.
Trusting the process feels peaceful.
Trust removes fear. Fear disappears slowly.
My fear is smaller now.
I can hear that in your voice.
Really?
Yes, your voice is calmer, more stable.
I feel more stable inside.
That inner stability becomes outer confidence.
Inner stability, outer confidence.
Yes, you are transforming quietly.
Transforming quietly.
And as you rest, as you listen, your brain continues to learn without effort, without pressure, and slowly, very slowly, your English becomes part of you, part of your natural voice, not something foreign, something familiar.
Familiar. Like it belongs to me.
Yes, English is becoming your friend.
I like that feeling. Not an enemy, but a friend.
Friends do not judge you. Friends support you.
That makes me less afraid to speak.
Good. Fear disappears when safety grows.
I can feel my body relaxing more.
Let it relax. There is nothing to prove.
Nothing to prove.
You are not in a test. You are in a safe space.
Safe space.
Your only job now is to listen and allow learning.
Allow learning.
Your brain understands more than you think.
Sometimes I understand without translating.
That is a powerful sign. Your brain is thinking in English.
Thinking in English slowly.
Slowly is perfect. Slow learning is deep learning.
Deep learning stays longer.
Yes, deep roots create strong trees.
My English is growing like a tree.
Exactly. And right now, the roots are growing.
Quietly. Under the surface.
Softly. Yes, even when you cannot see it.
That gives me hope.
Hope is important. Hope gives energy to continue.
I want to continue.
And you will, naturally, gently.
Emma, sometimes I compare myself to others.
That can create pressure.
They speak faster than me.
Speed is not the goal. Comfort is the goal.
Comfort first, speed later.
Yes, speed grows naturally with comfort.
That removes pressure from my mind.
Good. Pressure blocks your natural voice.
My natural voice.
Your real voice is calm. Your real voice is enough.
My voice is enough.
Yes, exactly as it is.
I feel more accepting of myself.
That acceptance unlocks growth.
Unlocks growth.
Now listen to the rhythm of this sentence. I am learning naturally.
I am learning naturally.
Very good. Again, slowly.
I am learning naturally.
Beautiful. Short pause. Your mind is absorbing the pattern.
It feels smooth.
Smooth learning stays in memory.
Smooth learning stays in memory.
Your brain loves smooth patterns.
Because it feels safe?
Yes, safety creates strong memory.
Safety creates strong memory.
And right now, your brain feels safe.
Yes, it does.
Your muscles are relaxed. Your breathing is steady.
Slow, steady breathing.
This calm state allows deep listening.
Deep listening without effort.
Yes, effortless learning.
Effortless learning feels peaceful.
You deserve peaceful learning.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You are doing something important. You are changing your future.
Changing my future. Step by step.
Yes, every moment of listening matters.
Even this moment.
Especially this moment, because your mind is open.
Open and calm.
And as your body rests deeper and your thoughts become quieter, your brain continues to listen, continues to absorb, continues to build your English gently, naturally, and without you even noticing. Your confidence continues to grow and grow and grow in silence, like the morning light slowly entering a quiet room.
I can imagine that. Soft and peaceful.
Yes, that is how your English is growing, gently, without pressure,
It doesn't feel forced anymore.
because you stopped fighting and started allowing.
Allowing feels easier.
Your mind learns best when it feels safe, and right now your mind feels safe.
Yes, it really does.
Every word you hear becomes familiar. Every sentence becomes natural.
Natural English. Inside my mind.
Your brain remembers the sound, the rhythm, the emotion.
Even when I don't notice it.
Yes, learning continues quietly.
Quiet learning. Deep learning.
You are becoming more confident, not suddenly, but steadily,
Steadily feels strong.
because steady growth stays forever.
I want forever growth.
And you are building it now, in this calm moment.
This calm moment feels important.
It is important. Your mind is open. Your heart is calm.
My heart is calm.
Your voice is becoming clearer. Your thoughts are becoming stronger.
I can feel something changing inside me.
That change is real. That change is yours.
Mine.
And as you continue to rest, continue to listen, your brain continues to build new pathways, continues to strengthen your understanding, continues to prepare your voice, so that when you speak,